everyone, so today we're doing another BeeBeeCraft tutorial. So this was part of my last haul from them. I'm obsessed with this kit right here. I love that it has all the yellows. Like, I need this for all the colors. I need a red, green, purple, blue, green, like red, every color imaginable. I need it set up like this. I just love these so much. I've used a lot of these. Like, you can't even tell like how much I've used, I feel like, because I've done so many projects with these. So let me show you a couple. I've done a total of 6 of these Pokie tools, and look, all of this came right here from this kit right here. Like, look, you can't even tell. I used these little like disco ball yellow right here. We have these yellow over here. We have these gorgeous yellow pearls right here, and these clear ones. I feel like you can't even tell that I've even made a dent. The other ones inside were with these two right here. So I've used so much. And then right here on my beadable pin, I used, again, these gorgeous little pearls. And right here, I used the gorgeous little rhinestone one and this little like translucent. Absolutely gorgeous. Done so many little projects with these. And then here I used some more of the little beads that I've gotten from BeeBeeCrafts over the years. And then here is the other kit that I recently got from them. And here you can see I used the little bead charm, which is that one right there, which is in here. So we have a bee, we have flowers, we have this like nice little 3D looking bee. He's really cool. We have a little sunflower. We have just a little yellow flower. There's some small little flowers in here. So much good stuff. Look at that flower. Absolutely gorgeous. Whole little variety. So I put those together on our little beadable pins here, as you can see. So I have my chain, and I just did, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 little links to do the little dangle on my beadable pin. They do sell beadable pins now, so you could go check them out. Like I said, all this stuff came from BeeBeeCrafts.com. They do free shipping when you spend $25, and they do have a coupon code offer for you guys, which is Nicole10, to save 10% off of your purchase. And that includes on sale items, which is really nice. So not in my last haul, but the haul before, I also got these, which I love. So you can see right here, it's like a little silver bead. The other one's gold with the little loop. And then that's where I went ahead and I dangled this off of. So you can see here's my gold one. And then I just dangled off my little charms off of there. So love those. I'll leave a link in the description box with the website. I'll link all of these products. I'll leave my coupon code for you guys. So I wanted to show you real quickly how I put these together. So these are the Pokie tools that I use right here. This one is from Amazon. It is a 6-inch needle. So it's in the description box of all my videos. And then this one comes from Hobby Lobby in the jewelry section. Now with this one, you get a pack of 50 for about $8 from Amazon. And this one is $1.50 for 2, I think. So it just depends on what you want to use, and this one is Hobby Lobby. So that one's nice because you just pick it up same day. But I wanted to show you that these fit so nicely. So you just go ahead and put your bead on, and then I did a rhinestone little bead cap, which you can buy also from BeeBeeCrafts. And then this is the glue that I use right here. It's my favorite one. It holds really strong and it comes out clear. So this is my new obsession, is my Gorilla Glue. And you can see right here, like, they do not move. Once they are glued on, they are on. I am not worried about popping these off. So love that. So with that, let's get started, and let me show you how we go ahead and do our wrapping with these. So I have some, these are 35, and you can get these off of their website as well. They do sell head pins. So this is just a ball head pin. Then you're going to need your beads, which I did a whole little variety in here. So you can see I just have like a little mix. So there's like one right there. Here's this little fluffy one that I thought was really cute. I have a little butterfly right there. So I just loved going through my beads and taking them out and playing with all of them. Like here's a little silicone bead. Super fun. So let's put one together. So we're going to go ahead and wire wrap. So I put a couple beads here. I'm going to take one of these tiny little pearls right here. Put that on my little head pin. Then I'm going to go with a black one. Then we're going to go with this yellow, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and we are going to roll this on down, just like that. So now we have our little bead dangle right there. So then now we need to take some of our chain, which this one is my favorite one. I get this from Hobby Lobby in the ribbon section, and do wait for a sale. They do go 40% off now. So we're going to do the same thing like this one. We're just going to take a couple little links off. So there are two ways you can do this. You can go ahead and count how many links you want and then cut it, or you can do what I'm going to do, and I don't like wasting any of mine, so I just open it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go on the 6th one because I'm going to do 5 for my Pokie tool. And you can see right here is the opening of my chain. So I'm going to just go ahead and open this on up using 2 pliers, twist it open. I'm going to go ahead and take my chain off, then reclose this back up. And you want to twist, not pull, because you want to be able to keep that same shape of the ring. So there's that. And then we can just go ahead and put this aside for later. So when I put my chains together, I like having a big focal point at the bottom. So I'm going to use this charm. So we're going to just need to go ahead and get out some of our jump rings here. And then we are going to attach our little flower. So we are going to again find our opening of our jump ring, which is right here. And then we're going to do the same thing like we did with the other one, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to twist this open. And then I'm going to add it to my last little link right here. Okay, we got to make sure that we open that wide enough to get our chain to fit through. There we go. So we're going to add that right there. And then we are going to go ahead and add our flower in here as well. We're going to go ahead and just close that off. Again, twisting it back closed. So you can see that is nice and closed there. Then we're going to add another jump ring to the top so we can attach it to our Pokie tool. I don't know why it's not focusing. So sorry about that, guys. So we're going to loop this through right here through our little hole of our needle. Okay, change of plan. As I was trying to get my jump ring through my little eye of my needle, this is where I have my jump rings in, and it has just like a bunch of Christmas stuff. And then I saw these little, what are these, like ball pins, and I thought that would be a cute idea. So in case whoever I send this to wants to take it off, they can. So I'm going to do that. I've never done this before, but I'm going to switch up the way that I do this. I've never done it this way to have it be able to be removable. So we're going to use this right here. And then we are going to go ahead and stick our last link right through our pin here. So it could go ahead and dangle. I think that's cute. It's something different. It's something I've never done before. I've never made it removable before. I think this is going to be cute. And it actually fits like a good length down. That's really cute. Okay. So from here, we're going to go ahead and we are going to be adding our beads that we already have wire wrapped up here. So I'm going to go ahead and go on the top left. I'm going to go ahead and put a bead on here. Then again, we're going to twist this closed, just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing, one chain link down and then on the opposite side. So again, here is my jump ring. I'm going to go ahead and twist that open. Here is my top charm on the left side. So I'm going to go for the second link on the right side. And then I will be adding my next little charm. And then twisting that close as well. And then I'm going to keep doing that all the way down. I'm just going to go back and forth on each little link. So left, right, all the way down till I get to the bottom. So I will show you what this looks like right now. So halfway down, I did decide to add my little bumblebee on here, which came from this little kit. And I think this came out really, really cute. I'm digging all of the yellow. Let me zoom out now for you guys. There you go. So I'm really digging all of the yellow on here. I absolutely love how this came out. I think it'll be perfect for a yellow project or a bumblebee project. So definitely go check out BeeBeeCrafts.com. Don't forget to use that coupon code Nicole10. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions on anything, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.